The suction cup switch mount has these four components. Suction cup, frog's feet suction cup. Then these two pieces which allow you to mount the switch to the suction cup. You'll see the underside of this suction cup cover has these little points on it, and they're just there to grip the suction cup and hopefully keep the whole unit from not spinning too much. But you're going to slip that over the top. Going to take this pin here and slide it under the edge of the top of the suction cup, and then this piece here fits on top. You just spin it on down, and you use Velcro to attach your suction, or to attach your switch to this base. And the suction cup holds pretty much in place. Can't lift very well, can't slide it very well, but you can change the position if you need to a new location. Just repeat the process again. Slide underneath, screw it down, oops, screw it on, attach your switch.